Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to use the Lovart to do the designing guys. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can access this Lovart AI like this, and also you can do the login with your email. And initially this AI will also provide you 100 credit, and it can be also renewed every single day guys. However, if you would like to upgrade it into the pro version, then you can click upgrade, and after that you can choose the package that has been shown in this section, like the starter, basic, pro, and ultimate. And also there is the monthly package guys. Which one do you prefer? So you can continue to click upgrade to choose this package guys. And then we go back to this home page, and as you can see that this Lovart will also give you the chance to create or generate the design using the nano banana model like this, or actually for generating the picture, and also create the branding design, for example like this. And once you click this, it will also share you the prompt example. And after that you can create a poster for your product. And if you click one of this, let's say the example or the picture, then it will also give you the prompt that you can create it to become the picture like this. And also it will help you to create the video guys. So this will be the example of the prompt. So it can be used for several purposes. And for example, here I would like to use to create the branding design. And after that, I will put my prompt into this section. For example, this one. I want to create a brand of a skincare from the orange peel extract and coconut oil. The brand name is Lovart like this. And also the skincare is very healthy since it is very natural and also can be applied to as a natural sunscreen. And you can continue to click here, generate, and it will direct you into this conversation and also show you the things that being worked by this Lovart AI guys. This is the design direction, and after that it will also share you the option about the design or the visual guys. For example, the botanical illustration and earthy minimalism, or crisp photography and modern layout, or abstract sun and peel geometry. And the another option would be premium typographic and texture layer. Which one do you prefer guys? So these options can be the option, and also make sure to this AI about the style that you would like to present for your brand guys. And for example, I would like to make it premium, and kindly wait for the next action that is being worked by this Lovart AI guys. And if you have any recommendation about the another AI that can do the same as good as this Lovart AI, please guys don't worry to suggest us on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there and making the video tutorial in another version guys. So as you can see, after selecting this visual identity, so this Lovart will also help you to create the logo of this product. As you can see on this example, it's not only about the look of this product, but also the logo for this product or this brand, guys. So this is the look of the logo. And the second thing is about executing the image of the product itself. Since I talk about the product with the orange peel skincare, so there is the image of the skincare and also the coconut over here. And it seems like that this Lovart is very generous, because this not only create us one logo but also several logo over here. For example, I will click this one, and as you can see, this shadowy information like that this picture is being generated with the C-Dream 4.0 model, and it can be also downloaded. And let's see, you will see any watermark in every single corner in this logo or this picture. Okay, this is the next step, will be the logo concept. So I would like to use this one, and kindly wait for the next action by this Lovart. Alright guys, to generate this several picture initially was consuming 4 credits, and to generate this a lot of information and until the shape of this product, it will consume like this. This is the credits I have now to become 55, and this is the look of the product on also the color palette. So guys, if you would like to use this Lovart to create your brand and also the look of your brand, I strongly recommend you to upgrade it into the Pro version, because it will also provide you more of credits, and also it will give you the more detail to create your design products. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.